Alright, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to very efficiently select and score certain land uses. And so while this redraws, I'm going to flip over to the Adobe, and if I'm going to go ahead and start with the shortest amount of numbers, which is the vacant lands and outdoor recreation, and that gets a 4. So go up to selection, select by attributes. We get our dialog box here, and we want to make sure we have the right layer. So we're going to select Dane Land Use 2005. We're going to use the LU code because the numbers over there represent the code, and you can see that down in the attribute table down below. Some of you might ask, well, we have land use names or land use groups here, and we could just use those, but you'll find that they're really wordy, and if we're typing out or clicking and sorting through a lot of these things, it's just easier to use and type two numbers. So I'm going to do LU code equals, and then I'm going to type in my numbers, so 97, and then I'm going to remember we need a modifier, so or, and then we're going to do LU code equals, and then the next number, so 98, we'll do or LU code equals 99, or LU code equals 81, or LU code equals can't get my equals there, so equals 82, or the LU code so equals 82, or the LU code equals 83. I always hit apply, make sure it works, and it says, oh, invalid statement, and so I have to go back and look for the error. I can put the spaces in so it's a little bit more legible, but that shouldn't be the error. And then I have this LU code. There's a issue with my keyboard, so the equals sign, I have to really make sure I hit it, equals 81, or LU code equals 82, or LU code equals 83. All right, try apply again, and it says that there's still an error. 8, so it should be 81. LU code equals 97, or LU code missing that equals again, equals 98, or equals 99, or equal. Okay, so apply. There we go. All right, so we have a lot of selections here, and you can see these are the ones that are deemed vacant or some sort of open space, woodlands, outdoor recreation, that kind of thing. You can see the selections down here. So we're going to click OK. Now we have our selections. What we're going to do is go down to the bottom of the attribute table and say show selected records. So that shows only the selected records in the attribute table. And then once it's kind of done setting that up, if you go up to your SHFLU score field, you can right click, you can do a field calculator. Yes, it's outside of an editing session, that's okay. But in here then we can just type 4 and click OK. And then for all the selected records, it is now going through and calculating a 4. So that is a way to efficiently select, calculate, and then we can go up and clear our selection. Once it's done redrawing here, and you'll notice that the records disappear because we don't have any selected, but if we went back over to show all, it would be there. So we would have some 4s and a lot of 0s because we haven't done the others. Now I'm not going to record videos to show you how to do all of the rest of these. You use the exact same process. You'll just use these different numbers that I'm highlighting on the screen to give the appropriate score. So follow that exact same process to do all these, and then once you have these done, the next video will show you symbolizing that and what we have left, and then the subsequent steps for land use before we can put rivers and lakes and land use together. Okay, thanks.